Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Colleen. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I've been doing my makeup recently, and it's a sun-kissed bronzy look, definitely with a crazy load of blush, but that's what I've been liking. So if you guys want to see how I did my makeup, then just keep watching, but make sure you guys are turning on your post notifications for my videos, as well as subscribing to my channel if you guys are liking this video so far. As for the products that I use, I'll link everything in the description box for you guys, as well as my other social platforms that you guys can follow me on. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with a bare face, the only thing that I have are my eyebrows done as well as my eyelashes. The eyelashes that I'm using today are the Live Lashes in number 2, and it's just like a natural little eye look. Very simple. Before we get started, I wanted to talk about this product. It's the Tropez Self Tan Purity Vitamins Bronzing Water Mist. Basically, all you do is you're just gonna spray your body and then go in with one of their mitts. This is the dual-sided Velvet Luxe Applicator Mitt, and you just blend everything in. And for a product that you spray, it's surprisingly not streaky, and normally I don't like to use any kind of mists or sprays for self-tan products. I don't have any kind of streaking. Everything looks pretty gradient to me. They also sent over their glow boosting bronzing serum. It comes in a little bit of a pump. I would assume you'd put this into your moisturizer, but you can also probably put it on your face bare as well. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'll let you guys know how it works. But 100%, if you're looking for something new to just add some glow and some color into your skin tone, I would definitely recommend getting this glow booster. So moving on with the makeup, I'm starting off with a primer. So the primer that I'm using is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I definitely don't notice any kind of breakage with my makeup when I use this primer. $5 at Walmart, but I've hit pan. I kind of want to try the other ones where they have like the matte one and the luminous one. Then I'm going in with some Fix Plus. I'm just going to set the primer in. It'll also give a very smooth and sleek surface for when we apply our foundation. With my base, I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte and poreless version, so I just like to put this on the back of my hand. Just to add a little bit more of a glow, I'm just gonna use a little bit of NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. This has SPF 30 in it. This is in the color Malaga, so I'm just putting like a dot. And I usually do this with a lot of my foundations to make it look more summer suiting, I guess. I'm just going to put this starting on any of my acne scars. Now that it's all over the face, I'm gonna go in with some setting spray once again. I'm just gonna spray it all throughout before I blend. I saw Coconut Kathy do this, so I've just been doing it recently and it works pretty well. I'm going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna gently dab this into the skin. I feel like the color is still pretty light, but I think with like the bronzer and everything, it should be able to look a little bit more seamless later. A lot of my marks are still kind of showing, so I'm just gonna go in with a bit of a concealer. So it's just the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm using it in the color Sand. And I'm just gonna spot conceal lightly over any kind of dark spots that are still peeking through. I have this scar on my chin that just will not go away. So if you guys have any suggestions on any kind of hyperpigmentations or dark spots, please let me know. I'm gonna let those ones sit for now, but I'm gonna move on to my under eyes. So I like a pretty bright under eye, so I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is in the color Medium Sand, and this one, for some reason, I can't let it sit, so I'm just gonna quickly blend this in. I didn't put as much product on the outside of my face only because this concealer goes such a long way, and I can just blend it outwards and it'll still give you like that highlighted effect. Okay, very much highlighted underneath my eyes. For my concealer, I'm going in with a different beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques one, but I think it's their powder one. I feel like it doesn't absorb as much product as the orange one, so I like to use this especially for where I have my hyperpigmentations, and it really does help with not moving around the product underneath. I saw a comment that suggested that I should try doing color correcting, and I definitely want to do it, so let me know what your favorite color correcting products are. I said color collecting, didn't I? Let me know what your favorite color correcting products are in the description. Girl, I cannot talk today. Let me know in the comments your favorite color correcting products. There you go. I'm just gonna let a little bit of concealer sit here, and then I'm gonna move on to my contour. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Bronzing Cream, and this is in the color Fair, so I think it's their lightest bronzing color. I'm not too sure. But the brush that I use to apply the cream contour is actually a eyeshadow brush. I think this is from the Naked palette from Urban Decay. I just use the flat side to just contour my nose. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. Also keeping in mind, I haven't touched any kind of powder products just yet because I think when you put powder on before any kind of cream products, it can definitely look a lot more blotchy, and if you have any dry patches on your skin. I think that was a mistake that I used to do all the time. Like, I just thought that, oh, like, it looks fine, like, whatever. But in reality, like, in person, it looked so bad. I'm going in with a cream blush. So this one is the Rare Beauty in the color Bliss. Let me tell you guys, I really need to get the bigger size because this is honestly the most beautiful blush I've ever used. I just like to do a few dots on my cheek here, really focusing on my cheekbones because I feel like that's where the sun naturally hits me. I'm just gonna blend this out, and it blends in and it makes it look like it's a powder product. It's so nice on the skin. Even on your bare skin, like if you were to just use blush, I feel like this specific color Bliss is gonna look so nice and you'll look so sun-kissed. Going back to my under eye, I'm gonna set it a little bit with a pressed powder. So this is just the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Translucent. So just like that, I feel like it has definitely smoothed out any kind of fine lines that I used to have. It gives you like an airbrush effect, which is something that I like. Did you guys see my outfit? I'm literally wearing pajama shorts with a halter top. So going in with a bronzer, I'm using the Milani bronzing powder, and it's the silky matte one in the color Suntan. I'm just lightly brushing this onto my cheekbone, and then just brushing the excess up towards my forehead. This is with the powder, and then this is without. This is my favorite part. This is my favorite product of all time. This is the MAC Sheer Tone Blush in the color Gingerly. When I tell you guys, this makes you look so sun-kissed if you put it in the right places. It will make you look so like you just came out from the sun. Very natural, but you can definitely build it, which is what I like to do. So I really like to focus like around here, like underneath my eyes, as well as on my nose, and I feel like it just looks so snatching. So this is a contour brush actually from Real Techniques. You guys see how much Real Technique products I use? Look at the color just like building up on my face already. I kind of go crazy, and already kind of looks like a filter, like that I forgot what it's called, but that one filter on Instagram that every Instagram person uses. And then slowly making my way towards my nose, and I'm going kind of like a U shape. Like, it's so cute. I love this color, and I feel like a little goes a long way, but I really like to build up my blush. This one is optional. You don't need to add the freckles, but I feel like adding the freckles just gives you, again, the sun-kissed effect that we're trying to achieve here. I actually use a brow gel. So this is the Merit Beauty brow pomade in the color brown. Unscrew it, and this is the applicator right here. I just like to warm up the product with a little bit of setting spray. So I'm just gonna spray the brush a little bit. Another way that you can apply it though, that kind of makes it look a little bit more natural, is to go in with some tweezers. I just go in with the tweezer and just kind of dab it on to the pointy part of my tweezer. And I don't like to be so uniform with it. I kind of just go in wherever I want the freckles. I also think this color works perfectly for a more natural looking freckle, and as you guys can kind of see, I'm kind of just smoothing everything out with my finger after so it doesn't look too harsh. I really want to try that Freck product. It's like the product that's actually made to make freckles, like faux freckles. Okay, I think that's enough, and I'm going to overboard. For my lip liner, a lot of you guys were asking what color I use. I use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Sandstorm. Quickly outline my lips a little bit. I don't go overboard. I just follow the shape of my lips. It's a little bit dark, so I'm just gonna lighten up the center of it using my Morphe Madison Beer lip gloss in the color Mercury, and just lightly pressing this into the middle. to finish off the lips, I'm going in with the Kosas lip oil in the color Jellyfish. It was originally a clear gloss, but because I used that same exact combo with it, it changed into the color of the lip gloss. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know if you guys like the look, and also check out this Saint Tropez product. I definitely love it so much. I'll link it in the description box for you guys. It's not sponsored, but they just sent it over to me to try out, and I really do like it. Make sure you guys are following me on my TikTok as well as my Instagram. I'll link both of those in the description box for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.